One, two, three, four.
The twins up in here. Now, all I added in here was some simple Filippo Birro olive oil. And this kind of steak comes in a box. I'm doing simple cooking, 1, 2, 3 ingredients. So it does hold a lot of water. So what I do is I just simply drain it and then I throw it into another pan to add in my other ingredients. So pretty, make sure it's nice and clean, ladies. There you have it. Okay, my cooking queen's up in the kitchen. I hope you caught all those beautiful slideshows that I put in there before you see the final plating here. So this is all the left of the steak in a box, simple cooking, 1, 2, 3 ingredients. This is the last little bit that I'm draining. As you see, it's lots of water because it's in a box, of course, something simple. As I mentioned, I have cheddar cheese that I cut up in little sized pieces. Okay, ladies, so I have cheese. These are slices, simple slices of cheese. And what I did is I just cut them up very beautifully so they're easier to melt into the pan. I have those bacon chopped up really nice and pretty. The ones that I did earlier. If you're watching the slideshows in the beginning, you'll see I did this myself. So pretty. I'm also going to be frying those pierogies in a little bit. I'm putting some of the bacon bits into my steak for my steak sandwiches, and then I'm also using a little bit for my baked potato. I am doing guacamole. As you know, my daughter loves this stuff. She will eat this all day, every day if you let her. So I'm doing a nice big size. So I have nice big size juicy tomatoes, haze avocado, the regular stuff, cilantro, red onion, and lime. So that is it, y'all. Final plating is coming up. My baked potatoes have been sitting for about an hour. Good to go. Russet potatoes is what I'm using today, and that is the final. So coming up, guys, is going to be the final plating. Yes. Okay guys, now we're going to do the loaded baked potatoes. That's coming up. The final plating. Get ready. Let's do it.